Hi, my name is Sidney. Today I'm going to prepare a spider.
A spider? What? I thought you were making some food.
First you take the knife with cream cheese on it.
Well, I like cream cheese.
Then you flip the cracker over and spread it on the cracker.
You're very good at spreading. Looks yummy. Do you have to go all the way to the edge?
Yeah.
Good job. I like how quiet my audience is being.
I heard some whispering.
I think they were just wondering what you were doing.
Then you put the knife back in. Then you take pretzels and stick them on the cream cheese.
Oh. So is the cream cheese almost like glue?
Yes.
It makes them stick, but it's something you can eat. What a good idea. And what are you pretending the pretzels are?
Legs.
Oh, I get it. So how many legs are you putting on your spider?
8.
8 legs. Spiders have 8 legs. You are correct.
Ah.
Can you count them as you're putting them on?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Wow. That looks like a fun spider.
Then you take a little more pretzels from the jar and put them on the other side.
Oh, because this spider must have extra legs.
2, 3,
And what do you do next?
then you take the cracker and flip it over and take the knife with whipped cream cheese on it and spread it on the cracker.
Whoa! It's a jumping spider.
Then you spread it.
You are very, very good at spreading. And then where do you put it?
Then you take the cracker and put it on the pretzels.
Got it. So that helps it to stick. Perfect. And then is it ready?
No.
No. What else does your spider need?
Eyes.
Oh my goodness.
You take the chocolate chips and put them in the cream cheese.
Just kind of do a little scoop.
Oh,
that's a good idea.
and then you put it on the cracker.
Wow, so boys and girls, she is helping everything to stick by using the cream cheese.
And that's like glue.
It's almost like glue that you can eat.
Well, you can't eat glue.
No, you can't eat glue at
This
all.
is like sticky glue.
So this is pretending to be glue.
Try for
Scooping it so the eyeball sticks.
Then you're done.
Yay! It's a cute little spider. Let's see. I'm just going to get a little look at it. Wow, that is the cutest spider ever. I love all those legs. And then, does it crawl off your plate? What? What do you do with it?
You pick it up.
That's going to be a trick. Wow. Here she goes.
Then you eat it.
Yum. Ooh, she got both eyeballs in one bite. What do you think, Miss Chef? Yes, it's 2 thumbs up. Boys and girls, would you like to eat a cracker spider? Yes! Let's give Chef Sidney a round of applause. Good job.